So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and today's video I'm going to talk about how we can create from 2D image to 3D logo, something like that. Alright guys, here you can see that's look awesome by the way. So first of all we need one SVG file format of our logo, SVG called scalable vector graphic. And why we need only SVG? Because Blender support SVG and we can directly import our 2D vector logo file into Blender. So after that we can just extrude it. So for that what we can do basically, if you don't have your own SVG file, so you can just create it from any vector software like Illustrator and CorelDRAW. But right now we are working on Blender logos, so Blender already have uploaded their SVG into their website. So what we have to do basically, you have to just go to your browser and here you have to just search the Blender logo SVG, and then you have to just go to the Blender official website, and from here you have to just download the Blender logo kit. And after that what you will get basically, alright, so you will get that kind of zip, and inside this zip you will get all the basically file format like PNG, black and white, and JPEG and SVG as well. So after that what you have to do, you have to just go to your Blender. So I'm in my Blender. So first of all I'm going to delete everything so we can just import our SVG image. Alright, then you have to just go to File, Import and SVG. And here you can see it's called Scalable Vector Graphic. If you're not able to see the SVG file format into an import section, so you have to just go to Edit, Preference, and here you have to just go to our add-on section, and you have to just change the from here all to the import and export, and make sure you just search the SVG and make sure that should be checked. If it will be checked, so you will able to see the import SVG file format from here. So what I'm going to do basically now, I'm just going to click the import SVG, and then I'll just go to my download section, and I'm just going to all the down, and I'm just going to click it. So now here you can see, first of all I will just go to my top view, and here you can see that looks something like that. So right now here we have our Blender logo, and we have some different parts here. Here you can see. Now what we have to do, so first of all I will just select one part of my object, then I'll just go to my object data properties, and I'll just go to my geometry section, and okay, and here I will just basically increase the extrusion. So I'll just increase maybe 8, maybe 2, yeah, 0.02 is fine. Then after that what I'm going to do basically, I'm going to hide this one, and I will select everything, and then I'll just press the Alt, and I'll just do 0.02. Now here you can see all the object and the extrusion. This looks something like that. Now what I'm going to do basically, I'm just going to move a little bit upside, something like that, and this one is also little bit upside, something like that. This one also little bit upside. And now here we go guys, and you can see we have a Blender 3D logo from their 2D image, and that's look awesome by the way. Okay, so that's how you can convert any kind of 2D logo into the 3D, something like that. Okay, alright guys, so that's very easy and cool trick, so I thought I should share with you guys. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something from this video, please hit the like button, the share button, subscribe my channel. Also if you have any queries or information, please let me know in the comment box. I'll definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys, and love you all.